Are you ready to transform your home into a fortress of safety? Today, we're diving into the top 20 brilliant emergency gadgets for home safety on Amazon. From futuristic firefighting tools to smart life-saving devices, these gadgets aren't just cool, they're game changers. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover must-have innovations that can upgrade your home safety like never before. Number 1. Tapo by TP. Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera. Enhance your home security with the Tapo by TP Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera. This intelligent doorbell lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. With motion detection, HD video, and real-time alerts, you'll never miss a visitor or package. Its sleek design fits any doorway while offering reliable performance and easy installation. Perfect for modern homes, the Tapo Smart Doorbell combines convenience, safety, and peace of mind, making it an essential upgrade for secure, connected living. Number 2. Blink Mini Indoor Security Camera. Keep an eye on your home with the Blink Mini Indoor Security Camera. Compact yet powerful, this camera delivers clear HD video and instant motion alerts to your phone. Perfect for monitoring kids, pets, or entryways, it ensures you're always connected to what matters most. Easy to install and integrate with Alexa, it blends seamlessly into any space. Reliable and discreet, the Blink Mini provides round-the-clock security, offering peace of mind with a smart, convenient solution for protecting your home and loved ones. Number 3. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired. Plus, protect your home with the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. This powerful security camera features bright floodlights, HD video, and two-way audio, letting you see and communicate with anyone at your door. Motion detection alerts keep you informed of suspicious activity instantly. Built for outdoor durability, it withstands all weather conditions while enhancing visibility around your home. Ideal for driveways, entrances, or yards, the Ring Floodlight Cam combines advanced security features, easy installation, and reliable monitoring to keep your property safe day and night. Number 4. SECRUI Door. Chime never miss a visitor with the SECRUI Door Chime. This wireless chime easily attaches to your door and provides clear, loud notifications when someone enters. With multiple tone options and adjustable volume, it suits any home or office setup. Its simple installation requires no tools or wiring, making it quick and hassle-free. Perfect for busy households or offices, the SECRUI Door Chime ensures you're always alerted to guests. Combining convenience, reliability, and style, it's a practical addition that enhances your daily awareness and home accessibility. Number 5. Evanshow Fingerprint. Door lock. Upgrade your home security with the Evanshow Fingerprint Door Lock. This smart lock allows keyless entry using fingerprints, providing quick and secure access for authorized users. Durable and stylish, it fits most doors and includes multiple access methods, including passcodes and mechanical keys. Ideal for families, offices, or rental properties, it enhances safety and convenience while reducing the risk of lost or stolen keys. Easy to install and program, the Evanshow Fingerprint Lock combines modern technology with practical functionality for a secure, worry-free home. Number 6. Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Protect your home and loved ones with the Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. This dual-function device detects both smoke and CO, alerting you immediately to potential danger. Easy to install on walls or ceilings, it features a loud alarm and long-lasting battery for reliable performance. Essential for bedrooms, kitchens, or living spaces, it provides peace of mind by ensuring early warnings in emergencies. Combining safety, convenience, and durability, the Kidde Detector is a must-have for every home, safeguarding your family around the clock. Number 7. Weten Personal Alarm Keychain. Stay safe on the go with the Weten Personal Alarm Keychain. This compact, portable device emits a loud, attention-grabbing siren when activated, deterring threats and alerting others. Lightweight and easy to carry on keys, bags, or belts, it's perfect for students, travelers, or late-night commuters. Simple to use with a pull-tab activation, it provides instant security in emergencies. Reliable, durable, and highly effective, the Weten Personal Alarm gives peace of mind, ensuring you have a personal safety tool always within reach. Number 8. YoLink Smart Siren Alarm. Boost your home security with the YoLink Smart Siren Alarm. This powerful alarm works with sensors and smart devices to provide instant alerts for intrusions or emergencies. Loud and clear, so it warns you and others while deterring unwanted visitors. Compatible with home automation systems, it offers flexible control via smartphone, voice commands, or schedules. Perfect for homes, offices, or apartments, the YoLink Smart Siren enhances safety, visibility, and responsiveness, making it a practical, intelligent addition to any modern security setup. Number 9. Tufano Solar Outdoor Lights. Illuminate and secure your home with Tufano Solar Outdoor Lights. These energy-efficient lights charge during the day and automatically turn on at night, enhancing visibility and deterring intruders. Durable, weather-resistant, and easy to install, they're perfect for driveways, gardens, patios, or walkways. Motion detection ensures lights only activate when needed, saving energy while maximizing safety. Combining smart functionality, eco-friendliness, and style, Tufano Solar Lights brighten your home environment while providing reliable, low-maintenance security protection. Number 10. FOSS-Power Emergency Weather Radio. Stay prepared for emergencies with the FOSS-Power Emergency Weather Radio. This versatile radio provides access to NOAA weather alerts, AM/FM stations, and emergency broadcasts during power outages or disasters. Equipped with multiple charging options including solar, crank, and USB, it keeps you connected even off-grid. Compact and portable, it's ideal for home, car, or outdoor use. With a built-in flashlight and SOS alarm, the FOSS-Power radio combines safety, communication, and convenience, making it an essential tool for every household or adventurer's emergency kit. Number 11. Govy Life Smart Water Leak Detector. Protect your home from water damage with the Govy Life Smart Water Leak Detector. This intelligent device alerts you instantly via smartphone when leaks are detected, helping prevent costly damage. Compact and easy to place near sinks, water heaters, or washing machines, it ensures early warning for peace of mind. With reliable sensors and long battery life, it's perfect for homes or apartments. Combining smart technology, convenience, and safety, the Govy Life Leak Detector is an essential tool for proactive water damage prevention. Number 12. Frizz Life Smart Water. Monitor your water usage and prevent leaks with the Frizz Life Smart Water Monitor. This smart device tracks flow, consumption, and potential leaks, sending real-time alerts to your smartphone. Easy to install on pipes, it provides accurate data and peace of mind for homeowners. Ideal for detecting hidden leaks, reducing water waste, and avoiding expensive repairs, it's perfect for tech-savvy households. Combining advanced technology, practicality, and efficiency, the Frizz Life Smart Water Monitor is a must-have smart home tool for water management and protection. Number 13. Kidde Fire Escape Ladder. Ensure family safety with the Kidde Fire Escape Ladder. Designed for quick and easy deployment from windows, it provides a reliable exit during emergencies. Made from durable, heavy-duty materials, it supports adults safely while maintaining stability. Lightweight and compact, it stores conveniently until needed. Perfect for multi-story homes or apartments. This ladder enhances emergency preparedness and peace of mind. Combining practical design, safety, and reliability, the Kidde Fire Escape Ladder is an essential tool that helps protect your loved ones during critical situations. Number 14. Lepro LED Camping Lantern. Light up your adventures with the Lepro LED Camping Lantern. This portable lantern delivers bright, energy-efficient illumination for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Lightweight and durable, it's designed to withstand outdoor conditions while providing long-lasting performance. Multiple brightness settings ensure the perfect light for any situation, from reading tents to night walks. Easy to carry and store, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or emergency preparedness kits. Combining convenience, durability, and efficient lighting, the Lepro LED Camping Lantern is a reliable companion for every adventure. Number 15. Vantamo Personal Safety Alarm. Stay secure on the go with the Vantamo Personal Safety Alarm. Compact and easy to carry, this device emits a loud siren to alert others in case of danger or emergencies. Ideal for students, joggers, or late-night commuters. It deters threats and provides peace of mind. Lightweight and portable, it attaches to keys, bags, or belts for easy access. Number 16. Vriex SD Mini First Aid Kit. Be prepared for minor emergencies with the Vriex SD Mini First Aid Kit. Compact and portable, it includes essential supplies like bandages, antiseptics, and tools for cuts, scrapes, or burns. Perfect for travel, home, or outdoor adventures, it ensures you can respond quickly to injuries. Organized in a durable, Chai lightweight case, everything is easy to access when seconds count. Number 17. Biometric Gun Safe for Pistols. Secure your firearms with the Biometric Gun Safe for Pistols. Featuring fingerprint access, this safe allows quick keyless entry while keeping guns out of unauthorized hands. Compact yet durable, it fits pistols and small valuables. Perfect for home or office use. With robust locking mechanisms and easy setup, it ensures safety without compromising convenience. Number 18. Ace Mining Portable Door Lock. Enhance your home or travel security with the Ace Mining Portable Door Lock. This compact, easy-to-install device reinforces door locks, providing additional protection against break-ins. Ideal for apartments, hotels, or dorms, it adds security without permanent installation. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for travel, giving peace of mind wherever you go. Number 19. Casa Smart Plug. Control your home devices remotely with the Casa Smart Plug. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows you to turn appliances on or off from your smartphone, schedule lights, coffee makers, or fans effortlessly, even when away from home. Energy monitoring features help reduce electricity costs while improving convenience. Compact and easy to use, the Casa Smart Plug integrates seamlessly into any smart home setup. Number 20. Auvon Motion Sensor Night Light. Brighten dark spaces safely with the Auvon Motion Sensor Night Light. This energy-efficient light automatically turns on when motion is detected, providing illumination for hallways, bathrooms, or bedrooms. Its compact design fits any space, while adjustable brightness ensures optimal visibility. Perfect for homes with children, seniors, or pets, it enhances safety by reducing trips and falls in low-light areas. That's a wrap on the top 20 brilliant emergency gadgets for home safety on Amazon. Upgrade your home today with these smart, life-saving tools and stay prepared for anything. Don't wait. Your safety matters.